How to create YouTube shorts from existing video. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create YouTube shorts from existing video. For this, you want to open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure that your YouTube application is fully updated. Now, you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you can start recording a video from here. If you want to create YouTube shorts from existing video, click on the add option. Now from your gallery, you can select any existing video. You can also select multiple videos. After that, click on the next option. Now you can adjust the video by dragging it over here, then click on the done option. Now you can add sounds from here. Once that is done, tap on the next option. Here you can add details, so you can enter a caption for your short. You can also change the visibility, add location and select audience. Once you're done with this, tap on the upload short option. As you can see, your short is being uploaded. And in this way, you can create YouTube shorts from existing video. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.